Hello everyone, we are from Group 8. Our project is about Toyota Motor Corporation, a company that makes cars. We will talk about how Toyota cares for the environment while planning and making their cars. Generally, this project looks at how Toyota tries to take care of the environment while making cars. First, we learn how Toyota plans its work in a way that helps the planet. Next, we see what Toyota is doing well, like saving energy and not wasting materials, but also the problems they face, like rules from different countries. Lastly, we give some ideas, like using green machines and working with good suppliers to help Toyota stay as a leader in making eco-friendly cars. Next, we go to the introduction. Toyota is very good at making cars. They use a smart system called TPS to do things faster and with less waste. Toyota also cares about the earth. So, they try to protect nature while making cars. Their plans help save energy and reduce pollution. Toyota makes sure cars are ready on time, made well, and follow the rules to keep the planet safe.
Now, let's walk through our methodology for data selection. We used four main methods to gather the information needed for this study. First, we conducted a document review, which involved going through annual reports, sustainability report, and ISO 14001 certifications to understand Toyota's environmental strategies. Second, we held virtual interviews with production planners, environmental officers, and quality assurance managers. This conversation helped us gain insights into how environmental practices are integrated into their project. Third, we analyzed job descriptions and flowcharts to better understand the roles and processes within production planning and control, especially how they align with green manufacturing goals. And finally, we used visual documentation such as facility layouts and photographs to support and validate the textual data we collected.
For the second method, which is analysis approach, we begin with operations mapping, where we use flowcharts and also facility layouts to visualize manufacturing processes and also sustainability integration. Next is benchmarking analysis, where we compare Toyota's practices with industry's best practices and also the ISO 14001 requirements. The third one is functional integration study, where we evaluate environmental factors' influence on PPC workers' daily tasks. The final one is thematic content analysis, where we identify the recurring themes like energy efficiency, supplier involvement, and also closed-loop recycling and adoption of real-time monitoring technologies for sustainability performance.
Moving on to the results and discussion section of our report on Toyota. Toyota's operations begin with three key inputs: high quality raw materials like steel, semiconductors, and lithium, skilled labor including experienced engineers and technicians, and advanced technologies such as robotics and automation. These inputs go through a structured transformation process under the Toyota Production System or TPS. This includes just in time, which minimizes inventory waste, Jidoka, which allows machines and workers to detect and stop errors, and Kaizen, Toyota's culture of continuous improvement. The final output is a range of fuel efficient, hybrid, and electric vehicles, all known for their reliability and global customer trust. To manage daily operations, Toyota uses a combination of planning tools and layout strategies. The ERP system combined with the Kanban method allows for real-time production control and smooth coordination with suppliers. On the production floor, a cellular or U-shaped layout supports efficient workflow and integrates collaborative robots or cobots to enhance productivity. Quality control is extremely strict, using total quality management, statistical process control, and the end system, where any worker can stop the line if an issue is found. Inventory is managed using the just-in-time system, which avoids overstock and enables quick responses to demand changes, supported by visual controls to reduce waste and delays. Toyota's operational performance is measured using several key indicators. It maintains an overall equipment effectiveness of over 85% with low defect rates and fast inventory turnover. The company is also transitioning into smart manufacturing using IoT sensors for predictive maintenance, AI for line optimization, and digital twins to simulate production changes before implementation. In terms of sustainability, Toyota's Environmental Challenge 2050 aims for zero carbon emissions. Many of its factories already run on solar power, recycle water, and have achieved zero landfill waste. These efforts show how Toyota combines performance, innovation, and environmental responsibility in its global operations.
So, moving to the conclusions, we can see that we have five elements that be highlighted in these studies. So, the first is Toyota leaderships in sustainability. Second is environmental goals alignments. Third is sustainability as a core strategy. And fourth is challenge still presents. And lastly is proactive approach for the future. So, for the Toyota leadership in sustainability, you can see that by successfully integrates lean manufacturers, which is TPS, with environmental goals, and then focus on reducing waste, lowering emissions, and saving energy without compromising qualities. For the environmental goal alignments, Toyota efforts like Toyota Environmental Challenge 2050 focus on CO2, which is carbon dioxide reductions and renewable energies. For the third is sustainability as a core strategy. This is by sustainability is integrated into all operations, not treated as separate initiative. Challenge the present by navigating global supply chains, complexities, and regulations. Transitioning to zero emission productions remain a challenge. And lastly, proactive approach for the future. This is by Toyota is positioned as an industry leader in the manufacturing industry. So next, moving to the recommendations. So we have six suggestions and recommendations for the projects and studies. First is expand green suppliers programs. Second is adopt smart manufacturing technologies. Third is enhance water conservation. Fourth is advance circular economy practices. Fifth is empower employees in sustainabilities, and the last one is integrate environmental KPIs in PPC, which is production planning control.